Watercolor tutorials for absolute beginners. And today we're gonna be learning the difference between wet on wet and wet on dry. You're gonna need your paints, a couple pieces of paper, a brush, a rag, water, tape, and something hard like cardboard to tape it to. You could tape both of these down, but make sure you tape at least one of them down. Paper is dry. Dip into whatever colors you want and just make some fun marks. I'm gonna go with kind of Valentine themed colors because there's a potential project at the end of this that's Valentine themed. On the second page that you tape down, we're gonna take clean water and cover this whole thing with water. This is going to be a wet on wet technique. We're wetting the paper and then putting wet paint on it. On the wet paper, I want you to use similar colors and make similar marks because you're gonna notice it's gonna act different. Explore these two techniques and fill up the pages and let them dry. Once they're dry, look how different the two turned out even though I used the same strokes and the same color. Wet on dry, wet on wet. If you don't want this practice to go to waste, you can take some watercolor paper, fold it in half, cut out hearts, glue them to the card for a super cute Valentine.